Dear learners, today, the focus of my presentation is contribution of Froebel to the development of early childhood care and education. Let us try to understand who was Friedrich Froebel. Born on 21st April 1782, Friedrich Froebel was a German educator who invented the kindergarten. Friedrich Froebel introduced the concept of kindergarten in his books titled The Education of Man 1826 and Mother Play and Nursery Songs 1844. Froebel viewed the school as a garden, the teacher, the educator, as a gardener, and the students, the educand, as tender plants. He further believed that play is the highest expression of human development in childhood, for it alone is the free expression of what is in the child's soul. Froebel, in play, children construct their understanding of the world through direct experience with it. All that matters to children is play, play, and play. Fred Rogers' play gives children a chance to practice what they are learning. Play is brain's favorite way of learning. Here are the key contributions of Friedrich Froebel. Establishment of kindergarten. Froebel established the first kindergarten in 1837 in Blankenburg, Germany. Kindergarten, which translates to children's garden, was designed as an educational space for young children to engage in purposeful play and learning activities. 2. Play as a central element. Froebel recognized the significance of play in a child's development. Froebel's educational philosophy integrated play-based activities, such as building with blocks, singing, and artistic expression, as fundamental components of early childhood education. 3. Froebel's gifts and occupations. Froebel developed a series of educational materials known as Froebel's gifts and Froebel's occupations. These materials were designed to stimulate creativity, foster cognitive development, and provide a hands-on learning experience. Froebel's gifts include items like building blocks, geometric shapes, and wooden toys, while Froebel's occupations involve activities like folding, cutting, and molding with clay. Froebel gifts. 4. Holistic development. Froebel advocated for the holistic development of the child, physical, emotional, social, and cognitive. Kindergartens inspired by Froebel's principles incorporate a diverse range of activities to promote holistic development, including outdoor play, arts and crafts, and collaborative group activities. 5. Teacher as a facilitator. Froebel redefined the role of the teacher as a facilitator and guide rather than an authoritarian figure. Froebel's approach encourages teachers to observe, guide, and engage with children based on their individual needs, fostering a supportive and responsive learning environment. Kindergarten setup. 6. Unity of education and nature. Froebel believed in the interconnectedness of education and nature. Froebel-inspired kindergartens often incorporate nature walks, gardening, and outdoor play to connect children with the natural environment. 7. Socialization and cooperative play. Froebel emphasized the significance of socialization and cooperative play in early childhood. Froebel-inspired kindergartens provide opportunities for group activities, collaborative projects, and shared play, fostering social skills and cooperation. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Education and Teacher Education at Shoking Bilal.